Hey, what's up people, this is your travel guy and I'm here again with the new video. Today it's not going to be about food or travel, it's going to be about something which is really important to each one of us, and that's the phone. So I'll be doing a quick hands-on video on the new iPhone 11, which will give you the first impression of the phone and also what's inside the box. I have this iPhone 11 in green in front of me. Now, looking at the box, it's exactly the same as the old iPhone. So, same color, same layout, same design. So, exactly the same as the old iPhones you used to get. At the back, so you can see there's a memory format there, and then the features and functions of the iPhone. And then at the bottom, you've got the serial numbers and stuff like that. So, from the outer side, it's exactly the same as the previous iPhones. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's the first look. Just pick it up. To be honest, the green color looks nice. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. On the sides you can see it's the same as the iPhone 6S sort of stuff, which is aluminium bezels. And this has been changed now, so you can see the SIM tray has been dropped down here compared to what it used to be more here. Drop down. Not sure why, but this is what we have. So let me put that one on the side. Let's have a look what we've got in the box. So just a normal Apple menu. Manual, they give it to you with each box. Doubt if anyone's going to read it. 3-pin adapter. Obviously, if you're in a different country, that would be 2-pin depending on your locations. Headphones, the same lightning cable, and then pretty much the same thing that you normally get it in the iPhone X and stuff like that. So we're not going to talk about this one. Put it on the side. Got this one as well. So this is the iPhone. Feel wise, it looks solid. So let's see how good it is with performance. So the iPhone has been set up now. My first impression is really good. It feels a solid phone. Bigger than the iPhone X I had before, which was 5.8, and this is 6.1. The second thing I liked about this phone was the iOS 13. So you can see this is all turned into dark mode because that's what I selected for. Now if we talk about the specification wise, it's got the A13 new Bionic chip, which is the same as the iPhone Pro, 6.1 inch Retina display, so slightly bigger than the iPhone Pro, which is 5.8, or max is 6.5, so that's in between. Then IP68 rating of up to 2 meters, so waterproof and dustproof, and then you have 64GB, 128 and 512GB availability. Now considering the design, the look, the feel and the specifications, I think it's a quite powerful phone, and has a lot of upgrades comparing to the iPhone XR and the previous versions. And also the price factor, this is about £300 to £400 cheaper than the iPhone Pro, so that gives a competitive edge on this phone. So we'll be doing a lot more reviews and comparisons as well, but as of now, this is the new iPhone 11. My new video on why I have ditched the new iPhone 11 Pro is on its way. There's a lot in there, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page for regular updates. You can also catch me on Instagram at @t_travel guy. Until next time, take care.